Hello everybody, welcome back. This is a cooking video and these are the eggs that you want to look like. Broken, yolked, and another broken. So, these are the ingredients. If you want yours a good tasting, you're going to need Johnny seasoning. If you're allergic to any of these, don't use it. Butter and eggs. Then, pan. Ooh, let me sneeze. Alright. That. And so, you're going to have to grab butter, as you can see. Grab a butter knife. And grab your butter. If you have a tiny pan, take a little, like, this piece of a egg, this piece, but make sure not to put too much, or else it will burn your egg. Or you could also put vegetable oil, but just not too much. I prefer butter; it's easier. Like about like that much on your pan, and then grab one of your eggs. One egg, and then. Turn on the oven. Crack an egg, like so. And then, voila, we're only making one egg. So, here's your egg, and then you're gonna have to wait a little bit, and I'll get back to it when it's ready to go. Also, if you're allergic to any of these, don't use it. And you're gonna need a spatula. Alright? Only one spatula. But and then make sure it's not stuck to the pan. And make sure you just get your spatula under it. Alright? Just get your spatula under it and make sure it's not stuck to the pan. Like this. I'll tell you when it is time to flip. Right after I paused, I right away unpaused it because I forgot we're gonna need a spatula. To tell you, I think you guys already know that. I'll tell you guys when to flip. And as you can see, I have 3 puppies. We have 3 dogs. This is Timber. He's the jumpy one. This is Baby. And the other one's Scamp. Hi! Oop. Jeez. Where's Scamp? He's probably up there. I'll show you later. Anyway, get to it. Okay. Oh! Ready to flip. Alright. So, you're gonna have to flip your egg nice and gentle. You don't grab the pan. You don't grab the pan and do that. You just flip it like this. You just grab it like that, pull it to the side, and then you flip it like that. See? Perfect. Also, if you like Undertale, then I may play a game like that soon enough. And I love Undertale. I draw Undertale, and I will do a drawing vid of drawing the regular Sans, but I'm really good at drawing, I think. But yeah. So you grab a paper plate if you have one. But I prefer paper plate not to waste your dishes. Oh, frick! Okay, so when you have your egg not flipped, like when it's like ready to be flipped, you have to put Johnny seasoning onto that. You have to put this when it's not flipped. Yeah. And then it'll taste good, but I'll taste test this. I don't know if it's good, but whatever. I made these for me my stepmom and my dad. And yeah. And now it is time to put it on the plate. And watch this. There we go. Look at that. Oh, turn off the oven. Oh yeah, put it to, if you're putting it right here, your pan right here, put it to front, and then you put it to the very middle. You put it to the very middle. You put it to middle at 5. All right, so this, I'm gonna grab me some Johnny seasoning, and I'll be right back. Oh yeah, disclaimer, if you have a, this is a disclaimer. If you have like a big one of these, then it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be a lot pouring down. Oh shoot. Oh crap, I just showed my face. I really hope I didn't. Frick. Okay. It's a quick old thing, so. Oh no. Let's go around that. I don't want to show my face yet. Okay. And here's this. I'm going to taste test and be right back. I prefer plastic, but we don't have any plastic. We don't have any plastic forks, so I'll use this. And here we go. I'm going to taste test. Okay. I'm going to grab a little piece and yeah. All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That's actually pretty good. I'll try the yolked part. First I'm going to try this part. It's really hard to... Time for the yolk. Ready? Alright, so when you're eating the yolk, I usually drink it like... Well, this time I'm going guava juice style like he ate it. Darn it. Oh, darn it. Wow. I'm gonna go wash my face. Alright. I hope you all enjoy. And I really hope that was not disgusting how I ate it. Because I was trying to do guava juice style. So, I still have some in my mouth. Yeah. It's good, it's just the yolk. It's like silky. Really silky. Alright. It's all gone. It's perfectly good. And that's how you make an egg. Except for the slurping part. Ugh. Alright. I'm actually got to chill my spine for that. God. Oh my gosh. I can't stop sneezing. Oh, alright, I'll see you all. Alright, yeah, I'll see you all later. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's how you make an egg. Bye.